Hello, good morning. You're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing on glucometer. I'll go to what is glucometer. I'm going to use Accu CHEK in my practical exercise. What glucometer? How to use glucometer? Let's begin. What is glucometer? Glucometer is an instrument used for rapid test of glucose. That's blood sugar in the body. So maybe you are diabetics, you needed this machine in your house for rapid test. You use it, it's going to give you instant result. So now, in the practical sections of it, I'm going to use Accu CHEK. There are different versions of glucometer, which I won't want to mention because I'm not using any of that version. I'm using Accu CHEK. Accu CHEK come with strip and lancet. I have hand pricker, but I don't have the hand pricker here. So let's begin on how to use glucometer. First steps in using glucometer is bring out the instrument. Okay, this is the strip. The strip, which you're going to see it on the screen here. Look at the machine here. This is the machine here. Okay, this machine look at the machine here. Okay, this is how it is before I open the cover. This is how it is. So this machine is off right now. It's already set. Check the battery. You fix the battery. Look at the battery here. You can remove and fix it back. So sometime when you're using it, the battery might die, so you need to replace it. Okay, so now how do I use this machine to check blood sugar? First thing you need to do is to bring out this strip. This is the strip. Look at how the strip look like. Okay, now you insert it. Look at the machine here. You insert it here. It will show you code. First code 33. Allowed it. Now when it start blinking, now it has started blinking. You can see it here on your screen. It started blinking. So as it started blinking, you make sure that you drop blood. This green area you're seeing here, that's where you're going to drop the blood. And make sure that the blood cover all the area. And don't drop bit by bit, just drop it once, that will cover all the area. If not, it's going to give you error. And when it gives you error, this strip is no more useful. The strip will be no more useful. Have to discard it and use another one. So the next step to take is keep your machine. Then you close the distance. This is lancet. Take your lancet, you take your cotton wool, soak the cotton wool with relaxed spirit. Now clean your thumb. Look at the thumb here. Clean it. You can use any of this here. Clean here very well. Then you use dry cotton to clean it again so that when you prick your hand, then you remove, this is the cap of lancet. Remove it, then you prick your hand once. As you prick it, massage it. You see the blood comes out. First clean the first drop of blood. Then you now massage it again. The second blood that comes, you make sure that you drop it on this green area. It covers all the area. Okay? Covers all the area. As you cover the area, that is all.